Assalamualaikum viewers. You are watching Lively English content. I am Uzma. Today you are going to learn lesson number 15 and our topic is simple past tense. It's very easy to understand simple past tense and this is a good technique for you, very easy technique you can understand from this board. Before watching this lesson and before learning, kindly subscribe my channel first. Here you can see something like the verb and there is written an action occurred in past. Okay, very easy. Simple past tense shows an action which occurred in past. It means ऐसा काम ऐसा एक्शन जो आपने कल किया हो, पास्ट में किया हो, माजी में किया हो, तो उसे सिंपल पास्ट टेंस कहते हैं. एंड इट ऑल्सो शोज इवेंट्स एंड कंडीशंस. इवेंट्स एंड कंडीशन को भी ये शो करता है जब हम किसी when we talk about any event or any condition, we use this tense. Here are formulas. Okay, whenever we talk about any action which occurred in past, we use this formula, and whenever we talk about any events and condition, we use this formula. Very easy, simple. See here, example: they went to the market yesterday. Here is action, went. This is second form of verb, and they, this is the subject, and the other like the phrases, they are called object. जिस पर काम हुआ हुआ है इस sentence के अंदर. It is done right now, and here is the sentence. For example, she was a liar girl. So this is the subject, doer, and this is was, and this is was. Okay, first we put subject, then we put was and were according to the subject, and then adjective, and then the object. Okay, so it is clear right now that here we are going to talk about a condition, and the second sentence is showing the event, like it was a rainy day when he went to the went to the park. Okay, so here is the condition, what was happening on that day when he went to the park. That is clear. And whenever we make this negative of this past simple past tense, we use did. Okay, and this did we always use with every subject. Even then we are using he, she, it, I, you, they, we use did. Okay, and we put not because we are going to talk about negative. First subject did not, then first form verb, always we use first form verb whenever we make a negative sentence, and then we put object. Example here, they did not make promise. They did not make promise. Here I am using did not. Okay, even then this is the plural now. And then whenever we talk about the interrogative sentence, we put this did first, and then we put the subject. If I say did they make promise, that is interrogative sentence. Okay, now this is clear right now. I think you have understood all this lesson properly, and kindly keep watching my video. In the next video you will learn more things, and they are very different, and you will learn more, I hope so. So share these videos. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.